Hello and welcome to another Tunisian crochet tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet the Tunisian bamboo stitch. So Tunisian bamboo stitch has got very interesting look to it, and when I first saw it I could not believe that it is actually crochet. As you can see, there are vertical bars that are crossed by a horizontal bar, so it has got very unusual, very distinct look. Deceptively, this is a very easy pattern. It's actually one row repeat. So let's get right into it and let's see how we make a fabric out of this bamboo stitch. So as usually, we start with a slip knot and with our foundation chain. For this pattern we need multiples of 3 plus 2 stitches. Okay, so we need multiple of 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Can make another 1, 2, 3, and 2. Okay, as in foundation row, we then twist the chain, and we are working picking up loops from the back bumps of our foundation chain. And as I mentioned in my previous videos, working your foundation row in this manner will give you a nice neat edge on the bottom, so you will not have to add a border to create a nice edge. Okay, so we've got one last chain. Now we are going to be working a standard return pass, and we work the whole pattern. During the whole pattern we work standard return passes. Okay, so we just need to check that we've got correct number of loops: 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 2. Perfect. So now we are going to chain 1, and then we yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, all the way to the end. And this concludes our foundation row. Now we are actually going to get into the actual stitch pattern. So what we need to do, we need to start with yarn over. I advise you that you do the yarn over not too tightly and not too loosely. You need to find a sweet spot in between, because we will be carrying over this loop over the loops that we are going to make after. So we yarn over, and then we work 3 Tunisian simple stitches, 1, 2, 3, under the front vertical bar. And now we are going to pick this loop, the yarn over loop, and slide it over the 3 vertical bars, like so. You can see why I said that we shouldn't work it too tightly, because it's a struggle to get it over the hook if it's too tight. Okay, so do that again. We yarn over, and then we work 3 Tunisian simple stitches, 1, 2, and 3. We pick up the loop and we slide it over, like so. Okay, so we've done 2 of these repeats. We're going to do the final one. So we need to yarn over, work 3 Tunisian simple stitches, 2 and 3, and we slide the loop over these 3 stitches. Okay, now we are going to work the end stitch as the normal way. So we work we put our hook, or insert our hook, under the left and right vertical bars of the last stitch, end stitch. We yarn over and pull up a loop. Okay, so that is our forward pass. Now for the return pass, we are going to work the standard return pass. So we chain 1, we yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, all the way to the end. We yarn over, pull through 2, like so. Oops. Okay, and that's it. That's your that's how you do the bamboo stitch. So we can do quickly another row together. We yarn over around the hook, then we work 3 Tunisian simple stitches, and we slide the loop over the 3 stitches like so. Okay, we do that again. Yarn over, work 3 Tunisian simple stitches, and then we pull the yarn over loop over the 3 Tunisian simple stitch loops. Yarn over. As you can see, as you work more rows, the bamboo stitches kind of align, so you won't get unsure or confused as to which loops you need to pull over which, because as you can see, they start aligning itself. Okay, now we're going to work the end stitch and standard return pass. Chain 1, yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, and that's it. There you have it. That's how you work Tunisian bamboo stitch. Again, thank you very much for watching. Please let me know what you would make with this stitch in the comments below. If you find this video helpful, please like and share with your friends. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next video. Bye bye.